Alright guys, welcome back. This is an exciting video because this is the start of our brand new survival series, one that I never got to finish last time. And I've already started this survival game here. I've decided to scrap it eventually, but I wanted to showcase this because it's an idea of what we will be getting into. And I also wanted to scrap the apocalyptic style theme of survival and go with a more medieval fantasy, mainly Viking style survival. But I'm going to showcase to you what I had implemented in this already and what we'll be getting into with the new one. This, for one, is designed for mobile, and the new one I want to do for like computer style. So this is what I got here. I've got, resources. I got my hunger, thirst, I got combat, I got an inventory, and just like a leveling system, shops, base building, AI, and harvesting. I got a lot of stuff to show you in this video, so I'm not really going to get into the new survival. This is more of just a showcase of what we're getting into. So I am going to just show you guys briefly here. So right here, well, I have a couple cheat buttons. This is going to give me some resources here, so I'm going to add these into. Let's just pretend I harvested these and earned them legitly. And right here I kind of have, it's not full out base building, it's more of a settlement style building. So level 1, it's going to cost us 10 wood. Build that. Level 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 10 here. And yeah, that was like a basic settlement style building that you would eventually build over time, not as fast as I just did. I have a save load system that will completely save everything we've built, everything we've bought and equipped. And I'm just going to showcase, so here's my inventory. I have one outfit, the one I'm wearing. I've got no hats, no masks, no weapons of any kinds or items. So let's showcase this a little bit. So here we have, okay, so this isn't really exactly a vendor. This is more of a buy and sell resource vendor. So if I wanted to buy fiber for $5, here's my fiber. I'm going to buy one, or I could buy 2 at a time, 5, up to 10. And that works for everything that I've done here, and then selling it as well. So I'm going to sell some metal here. I'm going to sell 5 at a time. Here's my metal. I'm going to sell down to 5, make my money off that. So yeah, we got a basic resource exchange. We will get into that in the new one. I got weapon vendor here, and it's kind of like a progression style. So in order to get these ones, you got to unlock the ones before that. Same with the weapons here, or the ranged weapons. So here I got my knife, shield, and then the spear will overwrite, and because it's a two-hand. And then I got my axe, pickaxe, and sword. And for ranged, now I can unlock this. It was locked before. I think once I get up to spear, it would unlock. So I got my bow, my pistol, shotgun, rifle, assault rifle, and so on. All of these have different animations. So for my knife, you can run and attack at the same time, or you can use the special, which is a double attack. And for the shield, that goes with the knife now, or any one-handed weapon, and now I've got the shield bash here. And it still works with everything else. It's a little buggy by clipping through my body there. I never got into it that much to polish everything. Got a spear here, which is two-handed. Run and attack, or the special one that takes energy is a stationary attack. Okay, my fire axe, this is for chopping wood or dealing serious damage. And then pickaxe, obviously for metals and rocks. And all of this is still going to apply in the new game. Maybe not the guns, but I might still do the bows and crossbows, etc. So it will still have the same, mechanics behind weapons. So if you're still doing a modern survival like this, then that will still apply. You can still follow along. So those are the melee weapons that I had so far. And for ranged, let me show you guys this now. So we got the bow. We got pistol. And I don't have ammo counters. It's basically just unlimited shots. I never got that far into it. But in my previous videos, some older tutorial videos, I did do ammo counts, stuff like that. So if you're looking for something like that, you just have to go back a little bit, rewatch those. Got my rifle. And then lastly, the assault rifle. Okay, so that's the weapon showcase there of the weapons that I put in. I'm going to show you guys now the outfit shop here. So I got some helmets I can buy, some masks, and some more outfits, which again, all of this is progression unlocked. I might be doing that still for the other game. I'm not quite decided on that yet, but so now I have, let me find a better spot here. So now you can like mix and match your guy to how you want them to look. I like this one here, it looks pretty cool. These armors don't have stats to them or anything. We will be adding stats in the next one, in this new survival series. So yeah, mix and match everything here. It's looking pretty solid. Or you can take it off just by clicking it again. Right here we have the item shop. So we got bandages, med kits, energy drinks, and adrenaline, some water, and some food. Alright, and I'm going to show you guys that real fast. So, let's see, do I have a cheat button that hurts me? No, I don't, not anymore. So, well, I guess I have low water, so I'll showcase you the water here. So, go to our items, drink some water. It's going to put our thirst back up right here. So, I got some real-time stats right here. And now our water's back up. And for food, you know, the animations aren't perfect, but they were all placeholder, temporary. I was going to adjust everything as I went on. But yeah, so there's, you know, basic, almost everything. So basic items and animations, weapons, clothing. That's my inventory system / shop vendor system, which ties into my money and all that. Right here I got loot that is randomized, so it could give me anything. Item wise, I mean, or resource wise. I don't have any swords or outfits into that. I'm thinking I might do that for the next one. I don't want to go too heavily on the vendor system in the new survival. I want it to be all like loot based and just getting lucky. And then here I have a quest board. So this quest is deposit 50 metal for 650 XP. You can abandon it or complete it. I believe it's every minute a new quest will come back, and they're all different. Mainly just resource based, you know, deposit this much, that much, and always the reward will be just leveling up. And that can always be changed, but so that's a basic, you know, quests, loot, vendors, inventory. Right now I'm going to show you harvesting. So I'm going to get to my tree over here that I'm going to break down. And I did some light animating myself on the tree, because I'd never done that before. This was the first pass at it, but so we're going to hit our tree a couple of times here until it breaks, and as you can see my wood goes up. And it's not always the same, sometimes it's random, the amount you get. And with the skill you would get more, but and come on, break for me, baby. I want to show the animation off, I'm kind of proud of it. There you go. Nice little animated tree fall there, and that should come back randomly within 1 to 2 minutes. Oh, and I also forgot to show you my roll button here, or not roll, my dodge and evade button. And it goes all ways depending on where I'm looking. I can't really showcase the other directions unless I'm in combat. And then for the pickaxe here, I'm going to break my rock here. And I think this is my most proud animation that I made for this. The tree was kind of simple to make, but this one was a little heavier to do. And then, come on. Boom, look at those rocks fall. Beautiful. This uses the same animation, so I'm not even going to show that. And then there's the fiber that we can get. There's not really an animation to this, so I'm just not going to go all the way. Okay, I went all the way. And it gave us a little XP too, which is nice. And I have combat too. It wasn't perfect. It's something I'm still trying to figure out fully. But for the most part, I got it to work. Gave me some XP. And I had zombies as well. I'm not into the zombie thing though. I'm not going to put zombies in the new one. But yeah. That's basically what I have to showcase. And then last time this box gave me money. So let's see what else it gives me now. Gave me an item. Fortunately I didn't type in specific items it gave me, but it gave me one of these. And then the quest was donate metal last time, I believe. Now it's deposit rocks for 400. So I'm going to complete that, and that should level me up to level 2. And before I do that, I'm going to show you what leveling does. So right now my max health is 100, max energy is 100, and etc. So whatever this does, it's going to give me a little more max health or stats in the end. So now our max health and stats, my max health is 105, energy is 102. Alright, I've got all these items on me, and remember what I have equipped. I got the helmet, the tactical outfit, the assault rifle equipped, all these resources, this amount of food. I am going to save my game, and then I am going to quit my game. Alright, I'm going to continue my game now and show you that everything still applies. Okay, and yeah, so everything's still equipped here. And the base that I built is still here as well. At one point I had it so you would spawn in the base by the time you built the bed in here. And I also had the ceiling go transparent when you would walk inside. Then I changed a lot of things, took those out. Didn't mean to keep them out though, I meant to put them back. So don't worry, that will be still a thing in the new series. So yeah, so all this is still saved. All this is still bought. There's no bugs or glitches. I polished this stuff up pretty nicely, so. And then, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to show at this moment for this game. I think that's it. Yeah, there's nothing else here really to showcase. So this is just a light expectation of what's to come with the new Survival Series. Again, not apocalyptic survival, but the mechanics still apply. And I kind of wanted to wait my guy for his hunger to go down and show you that it kills you. But I might just show you the death through one of the AIs. It would be a lot faster. And through death there is penalties, such as a loss of XP. And I think I put in resources as well. So I'm going to get some XP to showcase that here. And I'm just not going to fight back this time. Notice how my enemies are different this time too. They use my procedural method that I put out in an earlier video. There's lots of different variants of how these guys look. Same with the zombies and the sound effects of zombies. I don't know what this guy's doing now. Okay. So yeah, there was still some bugs that needed to be worked out. When I die, I lost 20% of my money, lost 20% of my resources, 20% of my XP. It's kind of a big hit, but just don't die. Alright, and that guy that just killed us, I believe he was wearing a blue vest and some kind of hockey mask. I'm going to show you now that he is probably wearing something else completely different. I'd hope. Yeah, so he's got the same hockey mask, but that's just all luck based, but he is wearing a different outfit, and he's using a different gun. That zombie's looking different too. I'm not sure why he's coming at me when I die. That's weird. I'm going to showcase it one more time to show you that the zombie is not wearing a green hat, and that this guy is not wearing an orange vest with a hockey mask, if luck is on my side. All completely procedural. Not procedural, sorry, randomized. And hopefully not using a gun. There you go. Now he's got a melee weapon. And I even used it for different attack animations if he gets lucky enough to hit a certain percent. There he goes, different attack. And if that zombie comes running in all buggy, yeah, not a green hat anymore. And yeah, that is what I have to showcase for you guys. That is a light expectation of what our game's going to be looking like, but it's not going to be mobile. The next one's going to be PC. Mobile, I mean, you can still do it like this, but instead of adding buttons on the screen, you would be adding inputs, so. Anyways, I'm going to end this video here, just an expectation of what's to come. Expect my survival series to be put out shortly after this, because I am working on it as we speak. And yeah, You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you return for the series.